Hello everyone, myself Vijay Pal, and this is the chemistry classes, class 11th chemistry, chapter 3rd, classification of elements and periodicity in properties, chapter 3rd, classification of elements and periodicity in properties. In this chapter, first part, including topic Dobereiner, Triad, Newlands and Mendeleev, we pass through. Today, I discuss long form of periodic table. Long form of periodic table is based on electronic configuration. Distribution of electron in their definite cell is known as electronic configuration. Arrangement of electron in their definite cell or orbitals is known as electronic configuration. Long form of periodic table is further divided into four parts. Four blocks. That is S block, P block, D block and F block element. Students, do you know which element contain S block element? So first of all, if last electron present in S orbital, then the elements have S block. If last electron present in p orbital, such element according to p block element, and if last electron present in d orbital, such element is d block element. And thus, if electronic configuration and last electron present in f orbital, then element according to f block element. So long form of periodic table is further divided into four parts on the basis of electronic configuration. Again I am repeating, if last electron present in s orbital, then the element S block element. If last electron present in p orbital, then this element p block element. So long form of periodic table is contains 7 periods, 7 periods and 18 groups. 7 periods and 18 groups. Long form of periodic table contain 7 periods and 18 groups. Here, the long form of periodic table. Left hand side contain S block element. Here S block element, and it is divided into two parts, like first A and second A. Here left to right, that is period, and up to down, that is group. Here hydrogen is here, and helium is here. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Here this group is known as zero group. And here F block, FNOF, here that is P block element. This is hydrogen family, this is oxygen family, nitrogen family, carbon family and boron family. And after neon, next element in S orbital contain, so S block element, sodium, magnesium, here ammonium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. After argon, potassium, calcium. After calcium, start D block element, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Is there. So this element D block element, and here P block element. After zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic is there. So here S block element further divided into two parts, like first A and second A. Then here third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A, seventh A and zero group only. And here D block is divided into 10 groups. Like third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B, seventh B. 8 contain 3 elements, and first B and second B are present. So first period contain only 2 elements, like hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium is the first period. In second period, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements present in second period. and D contain 10 group, and here F block element present in down the periodic table, and there are 28 elements are present in F block element. Elements are present in F block element, and here F block element is also divided into two parts like lanthanide series and actinide series. Lanthanide series and actinide series. Here first is lanthanide series. Lanthanide series. Atomic number 58, that is cerium 271. Atomic number 58 to 71, that is lanthanide series, and actinide series. Here 90, that is AC, that is here atomic number 90 to 103, that is actinide series, and here 58 to 71, that is lanthanide series. Again, F block element is further divided into two parts like lanthanide series and actinide series. Atomic number 58 to 71, that is lanthanide series, and atomic number 90 to 103, that is actinide series. Here S block and P block element. Here S block and P block element is known as main group of element. Main group of element, and P block element is known as transition elements. And here F block is known as inner transition element. Inner transition elements. Inner transition elements. Again repeat, S block and P block element is known as main group of element. D block element is known as transition element, and F block element is known as inner transition element. Inner transition element. And characteristics of S block element, like they are soft metal, they have low melting and boiling point, they are good conductors of heat and electricity, they are highly electropositive metals. And in P block elements contain metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Metalloids is known as semi-metals. And demarcation line present in P block element, which divided into metals and non-metals. It is basic point. and p block element show variable oxidation states, and d block element is hard, highly melting point except mercury, and their densities are also high. They show variable oxidation states. They are good conductor of heat and electricity, and they form alloy with other metals. So this element is D block elements and properties, and F block element are metals, and this element is also known as rare earth elements also. All the elements of actinide series are radioactive elements. Radioactive elements. All the elements of actinide series are radioactive elements. And last, merits of long form of periodic table. The elements have been arranged on the basis of atomic number, a fundamental property making the table easy to remember. Again I am repeating, the elements have been arranged on the basis of atomic number, a fundamental property making the table easy to remember. And next point, it separate the transition elements, it separates the transition elements from the normal elements, and here demerits. Like first, it does not establish a definite position for hydrogen. It does not establish a definite position of hydrogen. It does not establish a definite position of hydrogen, and it is unable to include lanthanide and actinide in main body of periodic table. This is the demerits of long form of periodic table. Thank you.